Hi, I would like to introduce myself. I am Puneet Verma. I have an experience of 12 years in digital marketing. I am running my company since 2009 and started a business directory in the name of vcsdata.com. Our organization is a Google partner too. Now I have created a Google App course for you which you can pursue from basic to advanced level. Who should take this course? Students from age above 14 years, freshers with zero industry experience, professionals can upskill their profile and growth, business owners who wants to expand their customers. I am giving you a preview of the course. This course includes 25 hours Google Search Ad tutorial video in Hindi and English language, in which I will teach you how to create and run Google search ads. Besides this, I will teach you about keyword research and competitor analysis, how to create landing page to get more leads, and how to certify yourself for Google partners. So don't wait, subscribe for the course and be a Google search ads expert.